sa screen. This is the full technology acceptance model questionnaire. Okay. So starting with perceived usefulness, there are 5 items under perceived usefulness as well as ease of use, attitude, external variables, and behavioral intention to use the technology. So when you finish your technology or system, what you are going to do is to pilot test the technology and then do a survey. Mag-survey man mo if okay ba sa inyong client at inani ang nakuha sa inyong mabuhat na survey. Okay, pangkali na. Example, kanisa ang PI 121 participants. Okay, so for participant number 1 is male, and then senior high school sila, and then senior high school ang mahuman. And then, ang work ay farmer. Ang income ay below 20,000. And muna yung mga responses sa mga questions. Muna yung mga responses kanan.
Harnett theory. You know what's meant that? Not?
Okay, so atong buhato na ni is to organize this dataset. I-copy lang ang sugod sa participant. Ayan na lang lang ang mga kwan. Basta kayo header lang, and then copy, and then paste. Okay, this is an organized dataset ready to be imported sa software. So for perceived usefulness, buhat na lang siya component name. So this is component name. And then enter equals average. Average sa 5, enter. And then look up. So also for the perceived use of use, we're going to copy and then paste. Because another formula na, that's also average. Next, we have attitude to use technology, insert, and then copy this one, and then paste. And then external variables, insert, copy, and then paste. And then paste also here for behavioral intention, and then the overall. This is equals average. Tanang mga component name. So, this comma. And then comma. Comma. Then, number 1. So, this one. Component name. And finally, this one. Enter. And over top. So, this is the one. Ready the dataset. This dataset is imported to the movie. So, the first software that we have utilized is what we call the movie. So, just search the movie and then open this one and install the desktop, the movie desktop. Follow installation process. Okay, so after my install, you have there the movie, open that one, and then import the file. So, kani siya ma-file, this one is nakasave siya sa directory ng ang folder under quantitative methods, A5 with characteristics tab. Pero depende rin na sa inyo kung asan nyo i-save ito ang file, pwede na siya sa desktop. So, in this case, I will retrieve the file, so open. At doon na lang ito file. So, nag-save sa quantitative methods, and then the tab, and then here the dummy data. This is the data set, kanina data set, what is siya? What is siya data set? The dummy data. And then, data one. So this time, we will analyze first the demographic variables. Okay? So go to exploration, descriptive, and then transfer the demographic until the because these are the demographic. And then, variables sa crossroads. Okay, so only ang demographic profiles. May to say sex study. This is according to our data. Number 1 is male. Number 2 is female. So, sa Botany, there are 47 males and 74 females. The next, go to descriptives and then highlight the first key. And then go down, control shift, click the overall mean para ma-highlight ka lang, and then transfer. And then, variables sa crossroads, under statistics, and check everything except mean and standard deviation. So, muna na sila tanan. And then, copy this one dito sa inyong file, Excel file. So, right click on copy. And then, go to Excel file. Just create another one. And then, right click, paste options, paste value. So, kaya sila, set up this one, ready siya mag-paste dito sa Excel. So, anak, delete that one. Delete this one also. And delete. Okay, remove the cumulative. And then for one, percentage, just whole number. Whole number. Okay, so ready din siya to be imported sa database dito sa Microsoft Word. And then the next one, set up the Milan SP with these statements. And then the SP and then interpretation. And then the values here should be for 2 decimal places only. Okay, so ready din siya for Microsoft Word. Open Microsoft Word. So we have table number 1, table 1. By the way, we will use Times New Roman and then font size 12. Okay, so distribution of the respondents. Respondents row 5. So from the word, copy this one. Control C, and then paste dito. Okay, and then just enlarge, tanggalan ang mga one space, and then remove remove ang mga space after, and then adjust the spacing, and then talis nila. Okay na. Center, make center. So, add another one. This one is sex, and it should be row 5. And then center. Change this one. This is frequency. And then this one is percentage. Okay? So, this is male, this is female. The judicial attainment, copy lang to. Okay, just copy this one for divisional statement. Madali naman si type, and pwede mo mag-type. And then, delete the numbering. Mas pas-pas po siya. Okay, and then the word, copy also. And then paste. And then, tanggalan ang mga numbering. And then format the income also. And then, 10% of total. Ang taga. And then, wala yung mga percentage na symbols. So, tanggalon. Okay. Finally, ipang-move lang na. And then, remove this one. Index that one. Okay, we need to say those are categories of the variables. And then, format this ay table. So this is boldface. Kanin sila kay Juan. Table title is italicized. And then, no grid lines. Wala ng grid lines. And then, top border and bottom border for the headers, as well as sa pinaka-ubos bottom border. And this is already done. Kung yung first na buhaton sa table. First table siya. By pair. Okay, next. Another perspective. Ano lang. Another perspective. Kapag isa, table 2. Perspective.
My turn na na.
Okay, so kato kanina, case step 1.
Ay, pag-lock ba?
Kato results. Ngayon siya, case step 1. Take control, copy, and then paste value. And then, kanin siya, you have to enlarge the table. Okay, so that's I. And then, kanin siya po, move. And then, kanin move. And then, take another space. This one is proceed. Proceed is fullest. And then, the opponent field, this one is proceed equal use. And then this one, technology.
Ay, kamu ka.
And then this one, external variables. And then, finally, the behavioral
Dili.
Okay.
Kita ko.
Ay,
So,
normal
for
naman
one
siya
further,
pero
anong mga connecting na lang dali, wala lang sila, and then, flash right. This one, flash right. Flash right, the format, that one, the component key. Okay. And then, kaning headers, they should be center. Kaning isang sila should be center. Table number is boldface, table title is italicized. This is the time that you have to copy the to copy the statements. You have to copy the statements katong sa technology acceptance model. Okay, so for prestigious models, copy that one. Paste it here. Ease of use. And then, attitude to use technology. Just copy. External variables. And then finally the behavioral intention. Okay, and then final formatting. Ang lang mga big guys. And then top and bottom. And then we have the bottom border. Okay, and then put some note here. Note that 1.00 to 1.75. This is very low. This is BN. And then 1.76 to 2.50. This is low. And this is L. And then 2.51 to 3.25. This is high. This is H. And then 3.26 to 4.00. This is very high. This is BH. Okay, reduce the font size to 10 because in the format, font size, the loading is less to sa original font size. From Monday, font size is 10. And then the word note should be italicized. So, kanikaroon kaya pagpunta ko na rin. Example, kaning 2.88, asa nila belong? Nasa sa? High. So, butawan ko dito siya o high. And then, I think kaning kumpan, kaning tanong, high nilo? High, kana high nilo? Kaning good, high. Kaning kaning, still high. This one also high. And very good high. Kung tatanan is high. Pero sa inyong survey, some of them varies. Iban very high, iban high, iban very low. Okay? So this is table number 2 already. And we are done with the Jacobi part, the descriptive statistics. Okay, so next part is to create the model. The next part is to use the model. Just download the WAR PLS. Search na mo WAR PLS. This one from the Split WAR system. And then the latest na natin is 8, version 8. Okay, for nasa yung mga previous versions, version 7 and version 6. Pero the latest one is version 8. This is only good for 3 months. After 3 months, mag-expire din siya. So, ang ako ay expire naman eh. But it can always, pero wala ko yung paninyo mag-modify na makagamit ko dyan mo. Example, kaya po ang 7 kay download lang ninyo. Kaya download ninyo and then follow installation process. And then, after just stone.
Depende po.
So just follow installation process.